Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make this hit. So, what's up, my ladies and gents? Welcome back to another video. So, I'll be posting today, which is Wednesday, okay? I'm gonna give you guys a video. I'll be styling my hair today. Yeah, so keep on watching. I will be recreating the natural hairstyle. If I can find a picture again, my nose itch, my allergies. If I can find a picture again, I'll post it on the screen, okay? I did not do my intro. So this is the old twist out. So my hair is not like, it's detangled, but it's not, it's a little stuck together. So it took me a minute to separate my hair. The goal was to get like triangles because I thought it was cute. So yeah, just keep watching. I don't use any edge control or anything. Ooh, goodness gracious. Excuse me. I don't use edge control because I feel like my hair lays down nicely on its own. So I didn't bother to use that. So I just use my water and my oil, and that is what it was. That is what it is. What it is. What it is. So after those 500 hours of separating my hair, now I'm about to go ahead and do this. And you need bobby pins. I mean, I use bobby pins temporarily. I take them out afterwards because it normally stays. But yeah, I'm going to spray my hair a little bit with some water because I took out all the moisture. And then this oil, I'm going to link in the description. I got to remember to do that. But this is a really good oil. It's a small business that I promoted. She does oils and other things on her website. This is very hard to open. Excuse the struggle. So yeah, that's it. Subscribe to my channel though, because you want to see me again. Thanks. I said, don't dance, just pull up a pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back, and then lean back. We don't want to copyright over here. So I'm just separating my hair, Patience, 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 patience. Now, when doing Bantu knots, you definitely want to make sure your hair is twisted, especially if it's really long, because baby, it likes to get stuck, especially for me. So I found that twisting it worked a lot better. So yeah, it helped. Now, if you guys watch my channel, if you keep up with me, you know that I am not like an advocate for like a bunch of products. Me personally, I don't care if my hair is like slicked back and clean. Like, as long as it look cute, that's all that matter to me. Boo boo. Okay. But y'all get the point. Y'all see it though. Y'all see it. Yeah, it's giving me tribal Nubian queen vibes. Going back to my roots vibes. Okay, back to my roots.
Video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other styles you want me to try. I will post a picture on the screen. I kind of put my own twist to it. This is very difficult. My arms actually hurt. Yeah, but I'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces.
Did you say something? You said something? Oh, I thought I heard something. Girl, please. Girl, bye. So, What's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video. Hey, I told you I was lit. Hey, I told you I won't quit. Hey, watch you make this hit.